NASA said Monday that it sent ultra-high-definition video of a cat named Taters back to Earth from nearly 30 million miles away. And the cat video was also published on many news channels. I also wanted to make a video on the subject because it was a first in space communication using lasers, and the spacecraft used in the mission is also the same vehicle that will be used for the Psyche mission. First, let's start with the importance of working. This is the first successful two-way laser communication experiment. This technology, used on orbiting satellites near Earth and around the Moon, has been extended to deep space. When human flights take place on Mars, it will allow astronauts to send videos from Mars. In summary, broadband will allow videos, scientific information, and high-resolution images to be sent home at high speeds and from distances far beyond the Moon. Going back to NASA's cat video. Laser communication, also known as optical communication, uses infrared light instead of traditional radio waves to send and receive signals. Challenges include precisely aligning transmitters and receivers and making components small, lightweight, and power efficient enough for use in space. So actually NASA is trying to hit the pinhole in space. So how far away from Earth is the Psyche vehicle being communicated with? The Psyche vehicle is 31 million kilometers away from the Earth, roughly 80 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. It takes only 101 seconds for the laser to reach the Earth. Unlike Tater's toy, the laser sent into space is infrared and not visible to the naked eye. Wright's team at the observatory points a laser at the spacecraft, and the spacecraft's instrument then sends an encoded laser down. An unrelated but frequently asked ridiculous question is that NASA sent my cat to space. No, this cat named Taters belongs to Joby Harris, a visual strategist in the design team of NASA's laboratory. Video of Taters chasing the red dot of a laser pointer was uploaded to NASA's $1.2 billion Psyche asteroid probe before it was launched in October. So, what is the difference between communication using radio waves and laser? As a result, they are both moving at the speed of light. The most important difference between them is that lasers can carry more data per second than radio waves due to their higher frequencies. This makes them well suited for high-speed communications applications, such as fiber optic networks, so both Mars and Jupiter can provide higher quality and resolution videos for Saturn and other icy moon missions. The weakness of laser communication is that the laser cannot pass through a thick object, which means that if any asteroid comes in front of it, this communication may be interrupted. Finally, as I said, let's come to the Psyche task. In fact, a few weeks ago, NASA shared the first images of the Psyche asteroid. The reason why I am so curious about this mission is this. The asteroid Psyche is thought to be the core of an old planet, or a fragmented planet. With this probe, we can learn new information about planetary cores. Another important aspect of this study for NASA is that it thinks that the core of this planet contains heavy and precious metals. The Psyche probe was launched on October 13th and will take about 6 years to reach the asteroid belt. NASA engineers and scientists plan to continue testing the transceiver for at least 2 years. In summary, according to NASA's statement, the use of laser communication greatly increases the efficiency of data transfer and can lead to faster scientific discoveries. It means that the Mars, Jupiter, and other exploration photos you see on social media will now look higher quality. It ensures faster communication between the Earth and the spacecraft in manned space studies. Yes, this is generally what you need to know about the NASA cat video and the Psyche mission. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye.